Yeah, bro, you have Marshallese. Hey, Tim, I'm full Marshallese. I'm full Marshallese. I was half black for most of my life, and then
yeah, literally until like last year.
until last year, and then I went full Marshallese. Well, I didn't go full I found out I was full Marshallese, but
yeah.
How does that work?
How does what work? Oh.
Your family tell you, hey David, your dad is black. 2025 comes around. Hey David, that's not your real dad. I'm like, oh, and then I can't ask my mom because she's dead. So, no, I'm not lying, bro. Like, my mom is not here no more, so I can't just call my mom and be like, hey mom, why'd you lie to me and say this black guy's my dad? Yeah. I called I didn't call my dad. I wanted to talk to my dad, and he's like, you and your mom make me promise not to tell you. Like, yeah. You sound crazy, bro. Y'all could have told me I have a real dad out there. And then, I mean, my real dad, like, because I make videos on Facebook, right? So I have a bunch of followers on Facebook. And then I guess my real dad found me on the internet. He's like, I'm your real dad. I'm like, man, okay.
But you literally look just like him.
And I look just like him. So, I mean, it could be true. But I really don't care. Maybe I'll care eventually in the future.